Hey curl friends, so today I'm going to be styling my hair with Creme of Nature's Argan Oil Moisture and Shine Curl Activator Cream. This is one of the products that I got from the World Natural Hair Show. If you haven't seen that video, I'll link it in the cards above so you can check that video out. But I just finished coloring my hair with Creme of Nature's Honey Blonde hair color, and so I just kind of want to keep the line going, keep using products that are within the line. So I'm going to go ahead and style today with this, and I'm going to be using their leave-in conditioner, which I'm almost out of. I'm going to have to buy some more of this. I really love this stuff, you guys. And I actually was going, when I went to the hair show, I went with the intentions of buying more of this, but they didn't have this there. They had like everything else except this. So I'm gonna use this, and I'm gonna use this activating curl cream, and also this oil, what is this? This argan oil treatment that came in the box with the color. And the instructions say to apply this on wet hair, but I think I'm gonna use this like after I've applied the stuff, the activator, just because it's an oil. And I don't usually put oil before my cream. I usually put my cream and then my oil. My hair just likes that. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So anyway, like I said, this is freshly washed hair. I just finished washing out the deep conditioner from doing the color. And I'm just gonna section my hair like I normally do. Are my curls bomb, y'all? Like, I'm loving these curls. I'm just really in love with the texture of my hair. Like every time I wash my hair, I'm just falling in love with it over and over again. So pardon me, but it's just me. I don't know. Okay, now I'm all sectioned off. I'm going to activate this leave-in conditioner. Usually it's like one color on the bottom and then another color on the top. And to activate it, you just have to kind of shake it up, and then it forms this like yellow color, yellowish color. So yep, I'm just going to go ahead and spray this on my hair. And I love the smell of this leave-in conditioner, y'all. Like, I love the whole argan oil line. Like, I love the way it smells. So it's a strong kind of a smell. So if you're not used to strong smells, you may not like it, but I really like this. Like, from the day that I first tried it, I was like in love with this stuff. So you just gotta try it for yourself. Okay, so I've done that, and I'm gonna kind of section off my hair. And actually, before I do that, I'm just gonna brush my hair out, you know, detangle it. So let me do that real quick. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and start applying the curl activator. And this stuff is thick, y'all. Look at how this comes out. Really thick. It does not move. So it smells just like the whole line, no different. And I like this because it's a really thick cream. Can y'all see that? It's thick. So I'm just gonna rub that in. I'm gonna rub it on my hands, and I probably need a bigger section. to take this oil. I'm not going to use too much. I'm using about that much. And I'm just going to coat the hair. So I'm just gonna do that to all sections of my hair, and we're gonna see how this turns out. I've never used this particular activator like this. Like, I have used it before, but I've used it as like a kind of like a refresher to wake up my curls, because it's a curl activator. So I'm not gonna use any gel this time. We're gonna have to see how this turns out. I'm just trying something new this time, but I did want to use this product, so we'll see how it turns out. Okay, y'all, so this is what it's looking like after I have applied all the product to my hair, the leave-in, the curl activator, and the oil. This is what it's looking like. So as you can see, my hair is a lot fluffier, you guys, and I'm assuming that's because there's not a gel in my hair. You know, usually I do this and I use a gel, but since I didn't use a gel this time and it's just this cream activator, the hair is like not weighed down, and then my hair wasn't dripping wet either. Like, when I started applying product, my hair wasn't dripping wet. It was, I tried to soak up most of the water out of my hair. So I want to see how this is going to dry, if it's going to dry like afro-y or what, I don't know. I hope it doesn't. But it definitely feels moisturized. Like, these Creme Nature products are absolutely the bomb when it comes to moisturizing. Y'all know the honey line, like I love the honey line. Moisture bomb, and so was the hair color. If you didn't see the hair color video, go back and watch that. So I just colored my hair right before doing this, like I said earlier. Yeah, go back and check that video out. And like, even now with this activator, my hair still feels really moisturized. So I'm loving these curls. You can see they're much fuller, fluffier curls than I normally have. So I'm gonna go ahead and let this dry, and we'll come back and see what it looks like after it's all air dried. Hey you guys, so my hair is pretty much dry. As you can see, I did get a little bit of shrinkage, but that's to be expected. Surprisingly, it feels like there's like a slight cast on here, but it still feels moisturized. So I don't know what that's about, because like I said, I didn't put any gel. But hopefully these curls will last. We'll see what happens tomorrow. But yeah, I'm digging it. Can y'all see? I'm not sitting down right now, you guys. So this is what it looks like. So I'll probably just use either some water or some more of the leave-in tomorrow when I wake up, because of course it's going to be crushed down. All these curls are going to be crushed down, and you know, from sleeping or whatever, and having the bonnet on my head tonight. So yeah, but this is what it looks like. My hair is very fluffy. I usually don't have this much, I guess volume is the word I want to use. I've got a lot of volume with this, using it just like this. So next time I might try it with the snot. I know I'm kind of late to the program with the Creme Nature snot, but I do have, that is one of the products that I do have that came in the package that I got. So I'll probably try this again using the snot. But for the meantime, I'm going to see how this works out throughout the week. I'm probably going to have to go ahead and put some more of the curl activator in, just because it's like a cream. And, you know, to reactivate the curls, because I'm sure it's not gonna hold. I feel like it's gonna get afro-y really quick, because it's not a gel, you know what I mean? So I don't know, we'll see. My face is kind of breaking out, y'all, but yeah, we'll see how it holds up, and I'll definitely let y'all know.